So, you're thinking about switching to Lunar? Or maybe you're just curious about this digital bank that's been making waves. Well, let's dive right in and find out if Lunar is the right fit for you. In today's fast-paced digital age, traditional banking is slowly becoming a thing of the past. Digital banks, like Lunar, are emerging as convenient and innovative alternatives. But are they really worth the hype? Key features and benefits. Let's break down what Lunar offers. Sleek and intuitive app, user-friendly interface, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. Fee-free banking, no monthly fees, no transfer fees, and often no ATM fees. Smart savings goals, set specific savings goals and watch your money grow automatically. Cashback and rewards, earn rewards on your everyday spending. Roundup savings, automatically round up your purchases and save the difference. Pros and cons. While Lunar offers a lot of exciting features, it's important to consider both sides of the coin. Pros. Convenience, manage your finances anytime, anywhere. Cost-effective, save money on fees. Innovative features, enjoy the latest banking technology. Strong customer support, helpful and responsive customer service. Cons. Limited physical presence, no physical branches for in-person banking. Potential technical glitches, digital platforms can sometimes experience issues. Dependency on technology, relies heavily on technology, which can be a drawback for some. Is Lunar right for you? The best way to determine if Lunar is the right bank for you is to consider your specific needs and preferences. If you're tech-savvy, value convenience, and are comfortable managing your finances digitally, Lunar could be a great option. However, if you prefer traditional banking with physical branches and face-to-face interactions, Lunar might not be the best fit. Lunar is a solid digital bank that offers a range of attractive features and benefits. Its user-friendly app, fee-free banking, and innovative savings tools make it a compelling choice for many. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons and decide if it aligns with your individual needs and lifestyle. Ultimately, the decision to switch to Lunar or any other digital bank is a personal one. Do your research, consider your financial goals, and choose the bank that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.